Beyond mere transportation, vehicles have evolved into moving dashboards for savvy entrepreneurs. Today, we're navigating the dynamic world of free, user-friendly, global advertisement car platforms. Today, we're turning your ride from just a mode of transportation to a revenue-generating asset. Rev up your engines and let's explore how your car can cash in on the ad scene. So let's take a look at Rapify. Rapify offers a platform for drivers to get cars wrapped in advertising and earn money based on the number of miles driven. To register for Rapify, you head over to the app. You want to drive your regular route and get matched to campaigns. It's very easy. It doesn't take a whole lot in order to do so. Now, in order to get paid, there are different types of coverage levels which generate revenue. There's the light level, or the 1 degrees, which pays $181 to $280 per month. Then there's the partial, which is 270 degrees, that pays on average $196 to $280 per month. And then you have the full, or the 360, which pays anywhere from $264 to $452 per month. Depending on your coverage level and how often you drive, you can easily make hundreds of dollars per month. Rapify will also provide you with bonuses if you are parking in certain parking spots and also taking certain routes. They will give you additional money for that. That is huge. More money. Next on the list is StickerRide. StickerRide is a mobile app-based global platform with opportunities where drivers can earn money by placing ads on their cars and completing certain missions or driving tasks. Not only will you make money by driving, you can also be compensated for expenses such as gas, car washes, and parking. To register for StickerRide, download the app on your smart device. If you're unfamiliar with it, you can actually go to the App Store, find StickerRide, download that. You want to register and then select the campaign that you're interested in. That is any particular advertisement that you're interested in. Regarding the earnings, this platform uses a point system based on driving activities. And earning can be anywhere from $50 to $450 per month. The variable here are the types of ads, as well as how many stickers you accumulate, your driving mission, and the location. All those things will be made available to you in the app once you become a member or a driver for StickerRide. But again, this is a huge opportunity. You can make easy money by virtue of just driving your car. Nothing hard, no extra work at all. This is great, guys. Next on the list is Referral Cars. Referral Cars offers both commission-based campaigns where drivers can earn money from business referrals and non-commission campaigns where drivers earn a fixed amount just displaying ads. Now, to register, you want to head over to Referral Cars and just select Become a Driver and fill out the application form there. It's very easy to do, doesn't take a whole lot of time at all. Now, regarding the actual earnings, for non-commission campaigns, those are the fixed campaigns with no referral bonus. You can earn anywhere from $50 to $175 per month. Now, for your commission-based campaigns, where the fixed advertisement rate might be lower or even zero, but you can earn a commission for every successful referral, potentially making more money than the non-commission campaigns if you generate leads. So you can make money one way or the other by way of advertising or at least making referrals. Either way, you can make some great money. This is another win-win. With or without an advertisement or an active advertisement, you can actually generate revenue. This is huge. Now, Nickolytics focuses on wrapping rideshare vehicles such as your Uber or your Lyft vehicles. To register, visit the Nickolytics website. You want to click on drivers to see how it works. Now, a little bit about how this works. You're going to download the app to your iPhone or to your Android phone, And once you do so, you want to just sign up. You want to give a little bit of information about yourself and about your car and your driving habits. Shortly after that, you want to start a shift. And once you get a shift, you're going to be monitored while driving so that the ideal campaign can be identified for you. Once the ideal campaigns have been identified for you, you will be given a selection of the types of campaigns that are available given your route in your area. Regarding the salary, you can make up to $500 or even more. It's totally based on the campaign and your location. So that is a huge opportunity to make extra money and not do extra work. And last but not least on the list is Carvertise, which is a platform that connects brands with car owners to create mobile advertisement campaigns. Just visit the Carvertise website, click on Become a Driver, and fill out the application detailing your driving habits and your car type and a little bit of information about yourself. Earnings for this platform, you could expect anywhere from $300 to $1,200 a month. Even more, it all depends on the campaign, the type of campaign, the length of the campaign, and the actual location. This is another huge opportunity to just make money by virtue of driving. Nothing extra, just driving your vehicle throughout your city, doing your daily chores or whatever it is you do from day to day. Nothing extra, no stress on you. Now, the one thing that I will say about all of these opportunities, when you are considering advertising on your car, you want to always ensure that you're comfortable with the type of advertisement that you are displaying. Additionally, be aware of the contractual commitments, such as having a good driving record or driving a certain distance to ensure that you're meeting the expectations and not having to change your driving habits. Remember to read the reviews and the testimonials about each of the platforms and see which one best fit or suit your needs. If you like this video and you found value in it, by all means, subscribe to the channel and also share it with someone. Until next time.